What's up, everybody? We are going back into the Hawkins area. A lot of stuff going on over there. A few different views. Villagesvideo.com. We have some different pictures and things like that on our Facebook. Villages Vids at Facebook. Come check us out. So you'll see some different views. This time we took off from the middle, the Hawkins actual rec center, not over by the aviary rec center, so you'll be able to see a bunch of different stuff. And they have a bunch of the villas done now, so that's interesting. We're going to do some open houses later in the week, probably Tuesday, Wednesday. You'll see those videos, so stay tuned for those and enjoy this flight over Hawkins. What's up, everybody? So you can see that we're in the Hawkins area. This area is new. Brand new. It's west of St. Catherine, which you can see right there straight in front of us, that little group of houses. That is Morse Boulevard, and as we turn, that is Bradford, actually up in that top left corner. So we will be doing a video on that. Hawkins is just north of the Turnpike, north of the Marsh Bend area. And it's the newest area that they were working on after they did Chitty Chatty and Bradford. Again, just like Chitty Chatty and Bradford, they're doing the middle houses first. They're doing the smaller villas, and all of these houses, which you can see, are pretty much done. This is a typical house right on the water, and they're moving right along. Right in front of us you can see the villas with a moving truck in front of them, which you will see actually later in this video. We'll fly right through that little villa area. So I will be doing some videos coming up of some open houses with some pricing and things like that, different houses in the area, just so you can get an idea of the pricing and what each house looks like on the inside. It was a really windy day. You can see some of the dust blowing across at the bottom of the screen. So the drone really wasn't having too big of a deal, but you can see some of this area is definitely not done yet. This goes all the way out to Warm Springs, which is west of Hawkins. Warm Springs actually goes across the Turnpike. The Turnpike's on the left side of your screen, and Warm Springs goes from left to right or right to left right in front of us as you're looking at it here. Big swampy area here, just to the east of Warm Springs, and then you have more of Hawkins right here up at the top. So Hawkins is kind of like the Marsh Bend area. There'll be little villages inside with different names, but you see there's a church there that actually wouldn't sell out to the villages, so they're kind of like right in the middle of that Hawkins area off of that road there. That water tower actually says Wildwood. It's not even a village's water tower. That's on the other side. But you can see this whole area is going up. Again, you have Bradford over there to the right, Chitty Chatty, and the Chitty Chatty Bridge is straight in front of us right now. That's the water tower I was talking about that says Wildwood on it. That is not the villages across the street there. That's actually just a development in Wildwood. And that road straight ahead is actually Morse Boulevard, where it comes down and then it splits. And then Morse Boulevard actually runs left to right on your screen right there. That's Bradford with all the houses. And then Hawkins is on this side, which those are the houses that you can see that they're working on right there. A few swampy areas in here. I'm assuming it's going to be kind of like Fenny, where they have walking paths through the Hawkins area and a lot of nature trails where you can walk out and take pictures of all the nature and things like that. We did that in Fenny, which you'll be able to see that later this week. There will be a video on the Fenny stuff and a lot of the sites over there in that area. It's such a nice area over there, and I think that's what they're doing with more of the villages developments. The newer developments down in this area is making a lot more nature and leaving some of that natural sites. So you can see right in front of us, that's the Hawkins Rec Center right on the other side of that water. To the left is the Aviary Rec Center. It's a bigger rec center on the left side of your screen, which is right on Morse Boulevard between Hawkins and St. Catherine. There's some more villas there down below us, right in the middle. Those are the smaller kind of shotgun houses, I would call them. Again, we'll take a look at those. And then you'll be able to see those other villas that we were talking about at the beginning. Later in the video, we're headed that way now. You can see a lot of the construction is going on. This is actually shot on a Saturday, so they work all week, Monday through Sunday. They are constantly out here. They have contractors and subcontractors out here working every single day. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Thank you so much. As you take this little tour of this neighborhood here, make sure you take the time, click like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff, and finish out the video. We'll see you in the next one.